Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to this video, and in today's video I want to show you how to see who viewed your Instagram story. So the first step would be to post an Instagram story. So once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on your profile picture and it'll show everyone who's viewed your story. And if you want to get more, you swipe up on the story and it'll show everyone who's viewed your story so far. So if I tap on the little 21 number there, it will now show me who interacted with my slider, all the answers, and then if I scroll down, it will show everyone who's viewed my story, and then you can go ahead and message those people or whatever you want to do with that information. So that is how you do that. Now if you want to go ahead and look at some past stories that you've done, all you need to do is go into your archives. So how you do that is you tap on the three lines at the top right, you tap on that, you click on archives. It will now show every one of your posts that you've previously made, and I can go ahead and tap on this, and if I swipe up on this now, it doesn't show me how many people viewed my story, but I can go ahead and look at the analytics if I do have a business account on Instagram. So you can see I got 2 actions from the story, 331 accounts reached, and that's the type of information you can get from your story archives. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button, consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about technology and social media every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace guys.